Tesche House was conceived to simply sit on the landscape without disturbing it. The horizontality of the roof subtly marks its presence, with materials such as brick and wood chosen to characterize a country house. Even so, this house features all the facilities and equipment to ensure the comfort of an urban residence. The striking roofline challenges convention while harmonizing with the natural environment. Designed by Galeria 733, it is a modern architectural marvel nestled in the dense landscapes of southern Brazil. Originally envisioned as a weekend retreat, this residence has been remarkably transformed into a permanent abode, blending contemporary design with rustic charm. With its seamless integration into the surrounding greenery, Tesche House is a testament to modern Brazilian architecture, offering a timeless retreat for its inhabitants. This 3,659 square foot, 340 square meter residence embodies the essence of contemporary living while honoring the rich heritage of its locale. The owner had acquired the land with a small house built on it, using it only on weekends. His intention was to transform it into a permanent residence, so he initially requested a renovation project. After evaluating the needs, the construction conditions of the house, and the budget, it was decided to demolish it and build a new one on a different scale and adapted to his real needs. The floor plan of the house strikes a balance between form and function, enhancing spatial dynamics. A diagonal axis guides the layout, revealing a tranquil pool area and picturesque landscape vistas. It exudes a rustic character that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. One of the technical challenges was the structural design of the upper slab, particularly the cantilevered southeast corner that shelters the parking area. The architectural narrative unfolds with contrasting facades, a monumental, porous, south-facing front juxtaposed with a more intimate, sinuous rear facade. This residence, long and challenging in its execution, was conceived to appear as though it has always belonged to this context, to these green fields. In summary, Tesche House materializes a fair tribute to modern architecture in general and Brazilian architecture specifically. It embodies a bit of everything: a hut and a palace, city and country, a touch of the prairies, the central plateau, and the southern plains, elements of Rio and São Paulo, silent and inert homages to architectural culture where life unfolds more fully and beautifully.